Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. In today's lesson, I'm going to tell you how to say time in Kurdish language and saying some expressions about time. Good? First of all, in Kurdish language, we say Kajmer Chanda for asking what time is it. In English, we say what time is it. In Kurdish language, we say Kajmer Chanda. Good. If you have a look at here, for saying the exact hours, in English, for example, we say it is 1 o'clock. In Kurdish language, we say Kajmer Yaka or Saad Yaka. Both are correct. Kajmer Yaka. Good. If we want to say that, if we want to say it is 2 o'clock, in Kurdish language, we say Kajmer Dua. It is 3 o'clock, Kajmer Se. For saying it is 4 o'clock, in Kurdish language we say Kajmer Chwara. It is 5 o'clock, Kajmer Penja. It is 6 o'clock, Kajmer Shasha. It is 7 o'clock, Kajmer Hauta or Saat Hauta. For saying Kajmer and Saat is somehow we use both of them. Good? You know that because in ordinary life, mostly we use Saat, but the pure Kurdish is Kajmer. Good. For saying it is 8 o'clock, we say Kajmer Hashta. For saying it is 9 o'clock, in Kurdish we say Kajmer Noya. It is 10 o'clock, Kajmer Dea. It is 11 o'clock, Kajmer Yanzea. It is 12 o'clock, Kajmer Duanzea. But pay attention to something. In Kurdish is not like English for saying the time for AM and PM. Because when, for example, when we want to say 3 a.m., 3 a.m. In Kurdish language, we count this time still as a night. For that reason, we say Kajmer Se Shawa, Se Shawa. Good. For saying, for example, it is 5 o'clock, is somehow like a dawn. In Kurdish, we say Penji Barabayan. Kajmer Penji Barabayan. Good. And for saying, for example, 12 p.m., 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. for example, 1 p.m. in a Kurdish language we say Yeki Niwaro or Yeki Pash Niwaro. Good? For that reason we do not use this or the same and the exact a.m. and p.m. with English language. In Kurdish language somehow we have a little bit of difference. Good? And if you have a look at this picture, good, for saying those times that passed, for example, 5 past 1, 5 past 12, good. For those minutes that passed, okay, in Kurdish language we say Laydawa. Here we say Pench Laydawa. Here we say Da Laydawa. Here we say Charak Laydawa, which is a quarter past. Charak Laydawa. Here in English we say 20 past. In Kurdish we say Bist Laydawa. Or sometimes we say the hour and then we say Wu, the number of this minute. Just have a look at here. If we want to say the exact time that we have on this picture, get, we say 10 to 3. In Kurdish we say Day Awe Bo Se. Good? We mention it all the times here. For example, it's 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past. Good? If we go to the other part, okay, I mean here, in English we say 2. For example, 25 to. Here we say 22. Here we say a quarter to. In Kurdish language, we say deve. Here, we say 25 deve. Here, for saying 22, for example, 22-8, we say 22 quarter to 8, چارکی دوه با 8. 10 to 8, good, we say day دوه. Good, that's for past and to. Here, let me clean this one and then good. I mentioned some expressions for time. Just have a look at here. Good. In English, if we want to say it's 3 o'clock, in Kurdish we say saat se or kajmer se. Good. But for saying this, it is 5 past 3. Okay? In Kurdish language, we can say two things. One of them is pinch laida wala se, which is we do not use mostly. But the next one, the second one, we use it mostly, which is se u pinch daqiqa. Se u pinch daqiqa. First we say this, which is se, and then for the second part we say u pinch daqiqa. Here is se u da daqiqa. For saying it is, Basha, for saying the time that 10 past 3. In Kurdish we say seu dakhulaka or seu dadaqiya. Also in Kurdish, sometimes we use daqa, which is the abbreviation of daqiqa, comes from Arabic language. Get in Kurdish we say khulak, but in ordinary in daily life, in common expressions, really we do not use khulak. Mostly we use daqiqa. Okay, somehow it's like a kind of slang. Okay, we use it outside. Good. Here in English we say it's a quarter past 3. Good. In Kurdish language we say seu charak. Seu charak. For here we say in English 20 past 3. In Kurdish language we say seu bist khulaka or seu bist daqiqa. Khulak is equal to daqa or daqiqa. Okay, all are correct. Good. Here we have 25 past 3. Good. In Kurdish we say seu 25 khulak. Seu 25 khulak. Here we have half past 3. In Kurdish we say seu new. Seu new. That's for the first part, okay? But if we have time that, for example, like this, we say 25 to 4, okay? It is 25 to 4. In Kurdish language, instead of saying 2, we say deve. I mean this 2 that we have it here. Deve. Right now, for saying it is 25 to 4, we say 25 deve bochwar. Bochwar. Here, when we want to say it is 20 to 4 in Kurdish language, we say bisti deve bochwar. Bisti deve bochwar. For this one, it is a quarter to 4. Yeah, it's quarter to 4. In Kurdish, we say چارکی دوه با 4. چارکی دوه با 4. Good. For this one, it is 10 to 4. Good. In Kurdish, we say دوه با 4. دوه با 4. For this one, which is it's 5 to 4. In Kurdish, we say پنجوه با 4. Good. It means that for saying every 2, we say deve here. And for every past that we have here, we say laidawa or wu. Good. For the exact time, we say, for example, like it's 3 o'clock, we say saat seya or kajmer seya. In this way. Good. That's some expressions and the process of saying time in Kurdish language.